Hi to everyone. Today we are preparing special toffee, potato toffee, name called Aladosi Ala toffee. Today we add the sesame seed and grated coconut to this toffee. Watch now. Everybody subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to watch like these videos. First we need to boil 1 kilo of potato. And we need to remove the skin in the potato. Potatoes are very hot. Do carefully. After we need to mash the potato for some small pieces. You can see the mashed potato. You can use any item or your hand. Next we need to add 1 kilo of sugar. Now add the mashed potato into the sugar. Next, we need to 1 tablespoon of butter. You can add the 2 tablespoons of milk powder or Milkmaid and mix well. First we need to cook medium heat. It became a paste. Now need to fry cardamom, cinnamon and clove like these pieces and get this small punch to that. After 1 minute you can see the little bit paste. Add the hot water into the spices and add the grated coconut into this paste. Need to mix well. Now need to add spices, hot water. You can add the vanilla also, 1 teaspoon. paste became a thick. Now add the 1 cup of sesame seed. You can add the cashew nut also in this time. Every time you need to mix this paste. After 10 minutes you can see the texture. It became a separate in the using bowl. Now you apply the butter into the plate. Potato toffee mixer is ready. Cooked in this time the medium heat. After we need to punch and prepare like this dough. Add the little bit butter and press like that. And we need to cut like these pieces. You can measure your sizes and cut this. You can cut 100 pieces in this quantity. You need to 200. Use the 2 kilo of sugar, potato and other ingredients. You need to 50 pieces. Use the 500 potato, 500 sugar and other ingredients. Everybody subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to watch like these sweets in Sri Lanka. You can see the sesame seeds, grated coconut in this toffee. You can use the happy tea time. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.